So I've just arrived in Cappadocia. I already booked myself a balloon ride for tomorrow morning and got myself a hotel. Behind me is a taste of some of the scenic rock formations that I'll get a chance to see. And I'm gonna go check out the open air museum right now. We'll see what else we find. So around the 2nd century, this area was settled by a lot of Christians, so they formed all these monastery cave homes in order to worship. Essentially, there's all these caves which are basically churches or living quarters, and if you've seen one, you've basically seen them all. It's just about 7 o'clock and I'm about to head onto the balloon ride. This is my ride for this morning, the Hotel Cappadocia balloon. Alright, I'm in my basket with my Russian friends who don't speak any English. And we're getting ready for takeoff. These are huge baskets. And we're taking off.
One, two, 2.6, 2.7, 8, 9, and
3. Yay! Champagne, but fake. There's no booze in it. That's boo. I'm gonna be in the Red Valley hike today. It's about a 14-kilometer loop, and it's gonna take me around these beautiful red canyons down into the valley below. And shouldn't be too grueling, doesn't seem to be too much up and down, so we should have a nice relaxing 14K walk. Oh, now in the valley floor, and everywhere you look there's these caves carved into the stones where people lived way back when. You can still see all the chisel marks where they would have carved their tunnels. Just the amount of work and incredible talent it would take to build all these caves is incredible. Withstands the test of time. I mean, just look at the upholstery even has survived. A couple thousand years. That's really impressive. So how did it all work with all these people living in these cave huts way high up? Say you needed to borrow some sugar. Did you have to climb down, go all the way to your neighbors and climb all the way back up? Or did they just have a little pulley system and you just slung it along a rope? These are the burning questions that everybody really wants to know the answers to. And historians never tell you these things. it's 1 o'clock right now. I've climbed out of the valley, so I'm at the most exposed part. And I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and sweating. And it's 14 degrees out right now. So I can't imagine what this would be like in the middle of summer. It'd be unbearably hot. So I've just finished the Go Ream Loop. It was about 13 kilometers. Not too challenging. Some up and downs. You go down into the valley, climb back out. And temperature was perfect for this type of hiking. And now I'm going to finish it off with a pomegranate juice, freshly squeezed. Mmm, that's tasty. Ooh.
Enjoy your
Fancy. A bubbling goo.